Hello everyone. The plight of finding a suitable life partner is complicated in itself. Now, what if it is more complex to navigate the matrimonial website than finding your soulmate? The digital maze might get us lost. In order to help those of you who have registered and the ones who would register at our website CARMELmatrimonial.com, we are presenting this video guiding you through the essentials of using this website so that you have a hassle-free experience finding that wonderful person you would grow old with. So let's dive right in. First of all, enter the website in the address bar, that is CARMELmatrimonial.com. When you click enter, you will get the home page of the website. In order to access the website, a member has to be registered. If not, you will only see picture slots without images and the details will not be seen. Even if any of the features are clicked on, neither will it display the picture nor the details of the member. This is the way the website works. Active members can be found here after you log in and click on premium plans if you wish to see the plans. We have a plan of Rs 3,000 for 365 days. It gives you 250 expressions of interest, 5 photos can be uploaded on the gallery, plus 100 contact informations can be given. It can also show auto-profile matches. Features are also the same at the renewal. After 365 days, it will be 1,500 rupees for another year. Also, we have happy stories and finally the page to contact us. For any clarification or information, kindly email carmelmatrimonial@gmail.com or call the helpline number +91 98442 41785. The first step to access the website is the registration. When you click on the registration button, it will ask for your details. The first question is on whose behalf are you applying. If you are applying for yourself, choose self. Otherwise, in case it is your son, daughter, your brother, sister, or a friend, choose as the case is. In this example, we shall choose to apply for self. Then it is the first name. Then the first name column has to be filled. We shall give the name Anil Lobo and then select the gender accordingly. The date of birth is very important. We shall first choose the year. Let us take 1992, March 31st as the birthday. Then fill in your email address. Please be careful in entering your email ID, otherwise you won't be able to receive any updates and you will miss out on the notifications and the option to change the password. So kindly check the spelling carefully. Then you will have to choose a password. It should have a minimum of 8 characters. Then tick the box of agreeing to our terms and conditions. If you wish to go through the terms and conditions, just a click on the terms and conditions will take you in another tab to the terms and conditions of CARMELmatrimonial.com. Please remember that we do not have any refund policy, so kindly go through the terms and conditions carefully. After all of this, when you click the Create Account button, your account will be created. Once the registration process is over, you will see this page. So please open your email and verify the email address. Only then can you access the page. Without verifying the email, you will not be able to access the matrimonial website. You will receive an email like this. Hi Stephen Lobo, thank you for registering at our site Carmel Matrimonial. Your account type is free, your email address, password are mentioned, and now you are able to log in. When you click on this button, it takes you to the Matrimonial website. Then you will have to log in using your registered email and the password. So this is the mail where you are to verify your email address. Click the button below to verify the address. Once the email is verified, your account opens like this, and you are in Carmel Matrimonial profile listing for a free membership. This is your public profile section, which is the dashboard of your profile. If at all you wish to see active members, you will be able to see only the free members. If at all you wish to see the premium members, for example, it is premium marked here, you will not be able to see the full profile or express interest or shortlist them or any other features of the premium membership. It is because you are a free member and are not eligible to view the full profile of any of the members unless you register your account or pay for your membership. So at this stage, if you go to your profile, My Profile, and there you can upgrade the package. Before you even buy the package, you will have to fill in the basic details of your profile. It is very important because we have a feature called matchmaking, which looks at your profile and the other person's profile, and automatically the website gives you suggestions. Please make an attempt to know about this feature. To use this feature, the basic condition is that you have to update all the basic necessary details of your profile. For example, in the introduction, write a little something about yourself, how you would like the other person to have a first impression of you from your own words. Then click the button Update to set it as your introduction. Once that is updated, fill in the email address and the basic details like phone number. Under marital status, choose never married, divorced, or separated. The option number of children here means the number of siblings you are, and please do not mistake it as the number of children you have. It is the number of your siblings. In the box, enter the total number of your siblings including you. It could be 4 or 3, as many as you are. This has, however, be confusing if you are divorced or separated. It is something that you can clarify later when you speak in person, but at the initial stage, enter the number of siblings that you are. Please upload a photo here. Once the photo is uploaded, please click on Update. Then your photo shall appear here as your profile picture. Please see to it that your face is clearly visible in the picture and try to use vertical images than horizontal images. Then we have present address. Please fill starting with the country. Here we choose India. Then we have the state. Let us choose Karnataka in this example. Then we have the city. Let us choose Mangalore. And then at the postal pin code, let's write 575005. After entering all these data about yourself, please click Update. After this, we have the education info. Under here, click Add New. Now under degree, for example, let us write MBA. Then the institution. Write the name of the institution you studied in. In this example, let us write Aloysius College. The year of starting the degree and the year of completion is asked. Let us write 2019 to 2021. Then click on Add New Education Info. You could add another mention of your educational qualification if you wish to. Let us also add BBA, choosing the same institution starting in 2016 to 2019, and then click Add New Information. Kindly be specific when you write the details of your educational information so that the other person also finds it easy to know about you. Now we have the option of writing about your career. Write your current designation, let us say HR head or whatever designation you hold. Under company, let's write IT company or specifically mention the company you are working for, and then the year in which you commenced your work there. Let us write 2021 to present. Then click Add New Career Information. Suppose that is the only job you have entered into, leave it as it is without an end date because it shows you are still active at the job designation mentioned. After your job description, we have your physical attributes. Please spend some time to mention some basic details about your physical attributes, like height, let us say 5.6. It is given in feet. Then weight in kilograms, let us say 73. Feel free to add further details about your physical attributes. Under languages, add your mother tongue. Let's add here Konkani. And then you could add multiple languages under known languages. Click Update after entering the data. Then you have the space to add your hobbies and interests. You can fill them as per your own personality. After that comes resident information which is necessary. In this example, I shall mark India under all four, but when you fill in the details, fill it in accordingly. Likewise, do add your permanent address also. After that, you have your family information. Enter your father's name, your mother's name, and under siblings, write the number of siblings that you have, the number of your brothers and sisters, not necessarily the name. Next is the last field, which is very important. It expresses your expectations from the partner. It is by taking into consideration the details of this table that the matchmaking feature works. Under general requirements, let's write a girl who is decent, prayerful, values love. Then resident country. It is your desire of the person's residence, whether you want them to be settled in India or abroad. Choose as you desire. Then specify if there is a minimum required height. For example, let's write 5 feet. Then for maximum weight in kilograms, let's write 65. Then marital status. Let us choose never married. Whether children acceptable or not, let us choose no. Next is religion. Let us choose Roman Catholic. Here there is no specification of caste or subcaste. For language, you can choose any language of your choice. Then you have education that you desire in your prospective partner. For example, let us write MBA or graduate. Under profession, let us write IT. Let us mark no for both the questions whether smoking or drinking is acceptable. Under dieting, let us mark it as acceptable. Now body type, write your expectations concerning your partner. Fill these blanks concerning whatever personal value you look for in the prospective partner. Then click Update. Once you update and then you go to your public profile, it will show all the details that you have filled. The basic information, present address, contact details, education, career, physical attributes, language, hobbies and interest, residence information, permanent address, family information. All these details are shown here. It also mentions your expectations in a partner as you have expressed, and the photo gallery also. In the photo gallery, you can add up to 5 pictures. Your member ID is seen here and your basic details. Now in your profile, the second step is to become a premium member. For that, please go to your dashboard where you will find the upgrade package option. Click on the upgrade package, then select premium member and purchase this package. Then go through the page to make the payment to Dhyana Jyoti Trust, Naman Balog Jesu bank account. Please click here and fill the form. When you click here, you will be redirected to a Google form or a QR code. You could either scan the code or click here to fill the Google form. Fill in appropriate and obligatory details in the form. And in the next page, choose New Registration since you are making the payment for the first time. And then choose the mode of your payment, either bank, UPI or cash. By clicking on bank, you will get the bank details, or if UPI, the QR code will appear. If you are at the office, you could pay cash. Since I have chosen cash, you just need to click Submit after filling all these details. Then come back to the website and add the payment transaction. It may be a number, a 12-digit UTR number. If you have payment proof, please select one and choose it as the proof of the payment you have made. Then add details if it is required. With this, the profile is updated as a premium member. That is why, as we have entered the desired expectations in the partner, the matched profiles are shown here. According to your age and your expectations, these profiles are a good match. So if we click on a profile here, we could go through the profile, the member's details, and basic information is all seen here. Let me now explain the dashboard or the profile here. First, you have your image and your name. When you click here, your public profile will be seen. 250 remaining interest means that if at all you like a profile, you could express your interest to the person. When you express your interest, the other party also receives a notification saying that such and such person has expressed interest. If that person checks your profile and finds that your profile is suitable, they could accept or reject your interest. Once accepted, you will receive a notification that the person has received your expression of interest. Then onwards, you will find the option of messaging the other person. You could contact the prospective partner through the website itself through messages. Then you have contacts to be reviewed and 5 remaining gallery images to be uploaded. These are all the options you have on the dashboard. Please go through each options to understand what it is. Next is My Profile, which we have gone through and in which we have filled in the details. Next we have here My Interest. For example, if you liked any profile or expressed an interest, they will all show up here. Then you have Shortlist. Let us say there are hundreds of profiles and you have shortlisted 10 to 12 of them. Those could be viewed here. The next option is Messaging. You could pass messages, send or receive them from others. If at all you have messaged someone, it will also be seen here. Also, there are some profiles which you might want to ignore. Those could be put in this Ignore list here. Here you have the option to go to the home page of the Matrimonial website. The only difference between the home page before you joined as a premium member and now is that you have the search option, and there you can see images of all the premium members which wasn't seen earlier. Here you have the option to go to the home page of the Matrimonial website. The only difference between the home page before you joined as a premium member and now is that you have the search option, and there you can see images of all the premium members which wasn't seen earlier when you were only a free member. That is the difference. All other matters concerning the website's working remain the same. Here we have new members who are seen here. The images are lined here. Now, for example, let us say you wish to go through the active members. Click on the active members tag, and here you have the filter option. For example, if you want to filter age from 28 to 30 and other details which you wish to include or exclude, those could be marked here at the option to filter the results. After marking your choices, click Search. The results will be given to you. If you wish to make any other changes, you could do so. As you go through the results, if you wish to look into the full profile of the person, click here on Full Profile. It will take you to the full profile, and you will be able to see all the details like present address, contact details, education, physical attributes, expectation in partners. Other similar profiles also can be seen here. Now suppose you know the name of a profile, a person, or their member ID. You could also search with those details. For now, I will copy a member ID and search here. The results come up easily. Here you have the option to like this profile, which means to express interest in the person. Then confirm the choice to express interest. Now if I go to the other profile, they will receive a notification that Stephen Lobo has expressed interest. You could view this member, you could accept this profile and their expression of interest. If you want to see the full profile, click Confirm and accept their interest. When they confirm your interest, you will receive a notification that the person has seen your profile and accepted your interest. From then on, if you come to the messaging option, you could message this person who has accepted your interest. I will just type, "Hi, how are you?" And now, going to the other person's page, they will receive this message, "Hi, how are you?" And they could reply to the message. It is real-time messaging, so it will not be delayed. This is a very convenient option if you wish not to share your phone number or email address. The messaging can happen in the website itself. And if you feel comfortable and fine with the person, then you could share your email address or phone number at a later stage. This is done mainly for the sake of everyone's safety, so that unwanted solicitations might not take place. You have the options to view the profile, express your interest, and if you like the profile, to shortlist them. If you wish to ignore, you are free to do so as well. When you shortlist profiles, those remain in the shortlisted tab, and later on, you could return to them and express your interest.